So, this is lecture 39 according to your lesson plan, and in this we are going to discuss about most important topic, that is your LTE, long term evolution. Okay. So, if I talk about this LTE system or LTE, okay, आपने देखा होगा कि sometimes in your mobile phone it is showing LTE. Okay. So, basically this is LTE is a fourth generation wireless standard, okay, and we say also this 4G network. Okay. This LTE system basically provides, in terms of, if we talk about our requirement is higher speed. Okay. So, this 4G provider increase network capacity and speed for cell phones and other cellular device compared with your third generation. Okay. So, obviously, it is better with this 3G. Now, if I talk about this, how much data is offer. So, this LTE long term evolution offer 100 Mbps downstream and 30 Mbps upstream. Okay. And it provides reduced latency, scalable bandwidth capacity and backward compatibility with the existing global system for mobile communication, that is your GSM, and universal mobile telecommunication service, that is UMTS. Okay. So, that is compatible with this GSM and UMTS also. So, basically, okay, now we just अगर मैं इंडिया की बात करूँ, right now we are using this 4G and trying to implement this 5G. Okay, and सारा का सारा खेल किसका है? Speed का है. Okay, because we have required higher speed. Okay, now this LTE की हम generalize बात करें, so that is this third generation partnership project, that is your 3GPP developed LTE. Okay, the standard was described as the next step in the progress of mobile telecommunication and follows the 2G and 3G MTS specification, and also known as the market as 4G LTE system. Okay. Now, LTE did not originally qualify as true 4G, but that is nearby this 4G. Okay. So, you can say between of 3G and 4G. Initially defined 4G in cellular system that provide delivered data rates of 1 Gbps to a stationary user, 100 Mbps to user on the move. Okay. If your user is stationary, then the data is 1 Gbps. If your subscriber or your user is moving, in that case data rates 100 Mbps. In 2010 December, the ITU of softened at the stance, applying 4G to LTE as well several other wireless standards. Now, how does it work? It is work on the basis of this OFDMA. Okay, in this case we are using this orthogonal frequency division multiplexing OFDMA modulation schemes is called is the OFDMA. Okay, so this OFDMA used in this LTE. Okay. OFDMA enables the LTE downlink to transmit data from a base station to multiple users at higher data rates than the 3G with improved spectral efficiency. Single carrier FDMA is used for the uplink. So, remember, in downlink we are using this OFDMA, and for uplink we are using the single carrier your FDMA signal. Okay. Now, if I talk about this popularity of this, so you can see most of in India we all are using the 4G service. So, you can see the popularity of this. Now, if I talk about the features of this 4G LTE, so audio and video streaming, the LTE has faster downloads and upload speed, obviously larger than the 2G and 3G. In 2021, the global average LTE download speed is 17 Mbps and the average upload speed is 12 Mbps. Okay, so I am talking about the here average. Okay, real time connection to service with voice over LTE, that is sometimes it is also written in mobile VoLTE, okay, VoLTE. User can talk to others without experiencing lag or jitter. Okay, lag means jitter, lag is respective with the delay, you can say, and jitter is for a small duration, that is interference. Okay, so jitter is nothing else a glitch type. Even faster speed with the LTE advanced carrier aggression. Okay, now we all of know that in present current scenario we are using this IoT, Internet of Things. So for IoT we can use this LTE system also. Okay, now if I talk about this development of this, okay, so in major milestone regarding this LTE year wise is given 2004, 2006, 2007. Okay, so these are the advancement done by the researcher in the field of this LTE. Okay, so in 2021 5G specific work is going on in India. Okay, and we already implemented this 4G. Okay, so soon the government will allow to implement this 5G operation. So LTE is coming in the category of the 4G duration.